going to quickly put some makeup together, and today I want to try the new Lancome lipstick. This one is 218, which is such in a hyper. It was supposed to be sold in pair, like one is this color 218 and the other one is 196. I think I have 196. It's just not in this house, in the other flat. And then when I click 2 or buy it as a set, it doesn't give me any discount. I was just like, no, it's really not encouraging, isn't it? So I only bought 218. When I see the swatches, it's really nice, and most importantly is because of this new packaging. So let's start. Primer, going to use Chessboard. And the foundation, again, I'm going to use this CC Cream. I will put a separate video for Chessboard, this brand. I'm still putting my thoughts together because of its price line. So my expectation is higher, obviously. Hence, I need longer time, test it out a little bit more to really gather the information and then to think whether it's worth it or not. Because we also have, you know, high-end product to compare with. Concealer, Mary Dygas one. It has potential to become my annual favorite, I would say. See the difference? For brows, we use the powder just to fill up the gap and to draw the initial shape. Then just use the brow pencil to draw the fake hair. It's also just pretty much touch the gaps as well. If you feel, you know, a couple of strokes a little bit too much, use the comb just to gently smudge it out a little bit. Then it's pretty much done. Contour, going to use Judy Doll, this one. This was in November favorite, I think. To be honest, this is just because I didn't use like for the full year. But since I got it, I pretty much switched from Timage to this one. I think two of them very similar position in my heart. For me, contour is very important. Once you are contoured, you look way much more fresh. Even you haven't put your eye makeup on. Let me quickly put the eye look together. I'm actually using a new eyeshadow palette. It's the second time I'm using it. Blush, going to use Flower Nose Chocolate Collection number 04. Okay, that's finally come to the Lancome lipstick. This is a special design. I think it's designed for Valentine's. Look at the surface. The shape is exactly the same as their black one. Size, shape-wise are the same. The material is more like velvet, and the design this time is chessboard. It's very romantic type of design. And inside is same, you press the head and the bottom comes out. The inside tin is exactly same as the black one. Color 218. Ooh, inside is the chessboard as well. 218. Why I see these swatches online? I thought they were going to. I thought that there were more paddle color in there, but it's like red tea coral. Typical Lancome lipstick smell, by the way. Let's do a thin layer first. On the thin layer, it seems has a little bit of rosy color coming out. Very Four season wearable, goes with most of makeups and skin tones. It's very nice color. Let's do a thick layer. And have a look at the details. It's not shiny cream finish. This one is more satin finish. Very, very nice. It doesn't smoothen out the lip lines that well, but it doesn't emphasize it. Friendly with dead skins. I do have a little bit of dead skins on my lip, but you couldn't really tell. And I do like, well, Lancome is Lancome. I do like its formulation, although it's cream, but it's not slippery creamy. Slippery creamy, you will have challenges that easy to be faint out from the middle. It doesn't last that long. And this cream is very lightweight, but it does kind of just sit on your lip, so it will be last longer than creamy lipstick. When applied on the lip, when I see it from the mirror especially, it has a little bit of rosy showing, and on the thick layer it's more rosy red actually showing on my lip, or it kind of melt in with my own lip color. But it's actually good pigment. It's very, very strong pigment. This one is actually surprisingly nice. 218. The 196 one, I'm really, really sorry that I think I left it in that flat. I don't have it in this house, but I will insert the picture over here. That one is more orange base. If you like slightly brighter orange color, that one is nice. That one goes with even lighter skin tone, will be look even prettier on your lip. But I have that one, and they don't give me further discount if I buy two, so I only got this one. The packaging this time, I think there are two colors. One is more like nude pink, and the other one is more burgundy red. I quite like the packaging this time, but I think the material is a little bit dusty collecting in a way. So, what do you think? Have you tried this set yet? But for Valentine's, I think the set for two, this color and 196 is a very, very good gift idea. Okay, hope you guys liked today's video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on my next one.